Hello everyone. In this video I am going to share the review of this product, and you all would be familiar with this product. So this is Parachutes hair oil, and I think you might and everyone must have used this product once in their life. So now I am going to review this product. So firstly I would like to tell you that this is the sachet pack of, or you can say that it is a trial pack of this oil. So if you haven't used this product, so you can buy this product which is of 10 rupees, as you can see here, and use it. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you that I am using this oil from last 15 to 16, or I think from last 20 years, and since my birth I am using this oil, and this is really very good and it is worth money. So now I will start. So the price, as I have already told you, the price of this oil is 10 rupees and it is 25 ml quantity. As you can see here, the expiry is of 18 months. This product claims that it is 100% coconut oil. So seriously, this is 100% coconut oil, and also the quantity is very good and very low amount of money. That is in just 10 rupees you are getting 25 ml of oil, and the bottle is almost full. You all may have read it online or have heard it from your grandmothers or mothers that coconut oil is very good for our hair growth. And nowadays many oils are available, coconut oils are available in the market. So but this is the best that is available in the market, because this is a brand and we can trust it. There are many products, oils available in the markets which are of other brands which we haven't heard earlier, so we cannot trust them easily as we do not know what they are actually using in their product. But this is a very good brand and everyone is using it, so we can trust it and we can use it. And seriously, I am using it from a long time, and I seriously know this is very good for hair growth. You can also, it has many benefits. You can even apply it on your face. If you have dry skin, you can apply it on your hands and leg if you have dry skin. If you are suffering from the problem of darkened elbows and knees, so you can apply it there too. You all may be knowing or not that coconut oil also have the benefits of skin brightening and lightening, so it is helpful there also. You can mix it in your face packs or when you are making hair mask, so it is very essential to add some amount of coconut oil in it. And most importantly, when you will apply it in your hair, it will seriously make your hair tangle free and very smooth and shiny. It gives a very perfect shiny layer to your hair that will make your hair look more beautiful. And also it promotes the hair growth if you will use it regularly on regular basis. And you can also use it by taking a small amount of oil in a bowl and then heating it, and then after massaging it on your head, so it will seriously promote your hair growth. And also a very small quantity of this coconut oil will get spreaded all over your head very easily, making it look very shiny and smooth. If we talk about the smell of this coconut oil, so it is actually like coconut only. You all have smelled the coconut and the smell is just the same. So finally I would like to say that this is a very good product which you all should use, and you haven't used it once, so you should use it. And if not, for a bigger pack you can buy this smaller pack and use it. This is the best coconut oil which is available in the market, so you must give it a try. So now I think I am done with this product. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.